want your iPhone and iPad to sync perfectly together? Using the same Apple ID is the key. In today's video, I'll show you how to set it up correctly and easily. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, make sure you are signed in to your correct Apple ID. To check this, tap on Settings. Check and verify the correct account that you are signed in to. Then go to your iPad. Tap on Settings. Tap on Sign in to your iPad here. Enter your Apple ID and password. A pop-up will appear on your iPhone to request authentication of this iPad. Tap on Allow. A verification code will appear on your iPhone. Enter this code on your iPad. On your iPad, it will say signing in to iCloud. Wait for a few minutes and both your iPhone and iPad will be logged in to your same Apple ID. There you go! If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they will help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and